Hello lovely ladies and gorgeous women. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been looking for fantastic ideas for a pixie cut or easy ways to style your short hair, then you are in the right place. Let me guide you through this exciting journey as we unlock a stunning look that will leave you amazed. We all know how important our hair is when it comes to defining our style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have carefully selected some great tips and ideas that will capture your heart. With these new techniques, you will see a remarkable transformation in your hair, making you even more beautiful. Think about the magic of white, grey, black and brown colors. These shades have a special charm that will make your hair look incredibly elegant. We will explore subtle highlights and bold undertones, adding depth and dimension to your short locks. Get ready to be amazed as you witness the transformation. And if English is not your first language, don't worry. Fashion is a language that everyone can understand, no matter where you are from. Now let's get down to the good stuff. I am presenting you with a special collection of short hairstyling ideas designed just for you. These hairstyles are timeless and impactful, whether you want a jig bob, a pixie cut or any other fantastic short haircut. Get ready to fall in love with these mesmerizing ideas. Now let's dive into the enchanting world of grey, white and black colors. Can you imagine the shine your hair will have when it embraces these beautiful colors? The combination of black and grey is classy and a bit magical. These hairstyles are here to make you feel special and unique. To give you a sneak peek of what's coming, I have prepared some stunning visuals of women rocking various short hairstyles from modern to elegant. You will find endless inspiration to express your unique style. Get ready to show off your inner fashionista and let your short hair steal the spotlight wherever you may go. But wait, there's an even greater surprise in store for you. This video is more than just styling ideas, it is a gateway to transforming your entire look. My channel is a treasure trove of invaluable content dedicated to helping you achieve your dream hairstyle. From step-by-step tutorials to expert advice and guidance, I am here with you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you would not miss any of the latest masterpieces. Trust me ladies, you will not want to miss out on the upcoming masterpieces. And I'm sorry if there's any background noise, please bear with me. And I promise it will not reduce the enjoyment of this video. As we are near to the end of this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this amazing journey. Your support fuels my passion to keep creating content that empowers and inspires your inner beauty. Always remember you are naturally beautiful. And with the right hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. So go ahead, embrace those fabulous short hairstyles with unwavering confidence and let your inner beauty shine. Thank you for joining us today. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And once again, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. And until we meet again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you in the next video.